Good morning guys, today quick tutorial lang tayo no. Ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-reset ng maintenance setting ng WRX 2015 model. At kung bago ka lang sa channel ko guys, paki-subscribe na lang ang channel ko para mas marami ka pang matutunan. Let's go guys! First of all guys, turn the ignition switch on. Press nyo lang yan ng dalawa guys. Yan, naka-on na yan. Bali yan guys no, ang switch natin is nasa center. Nasa ibaba siya ng hazard. Yan guys. Up and down lang yan guys. Down and up, then enter. Yan guys. Bali yan. I-press hold nyo lang yung enter guys. Press and hold. Yan guys, until lumabas yung setting na yan guys. First of all guys, set muna natin yung time and date dahil dyan bumabasa yung ating maintenance setting. Yan guys, press enter nyo lang. Press. Yan. Yan, up and down lang naman yan guys. Select nyo lang yan, yung date. Yan, up and down. Set nyo lang yung date. Today is 15. Then month. Today is October. And 2020. Yan guys no, 12 hours, then time set nyo lang din yan guys. 10. Yan, all set guys. Then punta tayo sa maintenance. Go back natin yan guys. Punta na tayo sa maintenance. Up and down lang yan guys. Then press enter if you want to select it. Yan guys. Ayan, nakikita na natin yung maintenance. Baba lang natin yan guys. Select maintenance. Yan. Meron tayo dyang engine oil, oil filter, tires, and maintenance. Set natin yung engine oil. Yan guys. Bali ang maintenance interval natin guys is sa Australia kasi guys is 12.5, and sa Philippines guys mga 10,000 km lang yan guys, and 6 months. Validate ngayon 15. Yan, then plus 6 months from today. Yan guys, bali ano yan no, bali April plus 6 months ka sa date ngayon 2021. Yan, plus 6 months lang tayo guys. Then set natin to ng 12,000. Yan guys, whichever campers naman yan no, it's either mauna yung 12,000 km or yung 6 months natin. Yan, press nyo lang yan, then select, set. Yan guys, naset na natin yung engine oil. Dito naman tayo sa oil filter. Yan guys, same thing lang din guys. Set natin yan ulit ng 15. Yan, then date is April. 2021. Yan guys, no, set nyo lang din lahat yan ng same 12,000 whichever come first. Yan, set. Then sa tires natin guys, no, hindi na natin siya isa-set, bali press nyo lang yan. Yan guys, hindi na tayo maglalagay ng date and kilometer dito guys, dahil ano na siya guys, palitin na yung tires nya. Hindi na natin lalagyan yan guys. Pero kung ano yan guys, kung okay pa naman yung tires, kung nakikita nyo na aabot pa next service, isa-set nyo rin yan guys. Same thing lang din, set nyo lang din sa date na sinet nyo sa engine oil and kilometer na sinet nyo dun sa engine oil and oil filter. Yan guys, punta tayo sa maintenance. Yan guys, last na yan, no? Punta tayo sa maintenance. Yan, set lang din natin sa ganong date guys, 15. Then April 2021. Then 12,000 guys pag nasa ano ka, no, pag nasa Australia ka, kasi iba climate sa Australia sa Philippines guys. Pag nasa Philippines bali 10,000 lang, no. Yan guys, na set na natin. Yan, press set. Yan guys, naset na natin lahat, no. Go back na tayo guys. Yan, go back nyo lang. Yan, hanggang sa bumalik sa dati guys. Okay na yan guys, all set na yan guys. Bali yan no guys, take note lang, no, bago natin i-reset yan guys, kailangan natin na i-maintenance muna natin yung sasakyan. Change oil filter, and check oil, tires, brakes. Yan guys. Bali, ito kasi guys, reminders lang to sa atin, no, para alam natin kung kailan yung next maintenance natin sa ating sasakyan. Yun lang guys, no. If you like the video guys, just click the like button, at kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, just subscribe to my channel guys, and don't forget to click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa ating magiging next video. Bali, yun lang guys, no. This is Demo Pontanilla ng SUPERCHEAP MECHANIC. See you guys later.